friends, myself Professor D.V. Kushare from MAP's KBT College of Engineering, Nasik. Today we'll see the problems on optimum design from the subject Mechanical System Design for BE Mechanical student. Example, see the problem statement. A tensile bar of length 500 mm is subjected to the constant tensile force of 3000 Newton. If the factor of safety is 2, design the bar with the objective of minimizing the material cost out of the following materials. See, the 4 different materials are given. These are plain carbon steel, alloy steel, aluminum alloy, titanium alloy. Their properties are given: mass density, material cost per unit, mass, yield strength. Okay, so objective of this problem is to minimize the material cost for the given material. Now we'll see the given data for this optimization problem. Now force is given, that is 3000 Newton. Total length of the bar, it is 500 mm. Factor of safety, that is equal to 2. Now see, this circular cross-section bar having cross-sectional area A, and it is subjected to the tensile force F, which is acting from both sides. The length of the bar is L. Okay, so first write down all the design parameters involved in the design problem: functional requirement parameters, material parameters, and geometrical parameters. The CM, that is equal to material cost of the tensile bar in rupees. C, cost per unit mass for the bar material, that is in kg, rupees per kg. Rho, that is equal to mass density of the bar material, kg per meter cube. A, cross-sectional area of the bar, meter square. L, that is equal to length of bar in meter. F, tensile force acting on the bar in Newton. NF, factor of safety. Sigma T, tensile stress induced in the bar, Newton per meter square. SYT, that is equal to yield strength of the bar material, Newton per meter square. Now first write the primary design equation, that is PDE. Okay, so whatever the objective of the problem is given, from that objective write down the primary design equation. Now in this example we have to minimize the cost of the material. Okay, so the equation for the cost of material, the objective for optimum design, the most significant undesirable effect to be minimized is the material cost of the bar, and is given by the relation that CM, that is equal to cost per unit mass of the bar into total mass of the bar. So cost per unit mass of the bar, that is equal to small c into rho into cross-sectional area of the bar into length, that will give the total mass of the bar. So CM, that is equal to C into rho AL. So CM, that is equal to C rho AL in rupees. This is our primary design equation. Okay, now next step we have to write down the subsidiary design equation. Write the subsidiary design equation, SDE. The tensile stress induced in the bar is given by the relation sigma T, that is equal to F upon A, and this equation it is called as a subsidiary design equation. Okay, so then write down the limit equation, that is LE. So limit equation, now sigma T, it is less than or equal to SYT upon factor of safety. So this relation, that is called as a limit equation. So this is the limit equation. Now after that, once you write down the all these design equations, next you have to classify the parameters. Whatever the parameters these are given in the problem, so note down all these parameters and you have to classify this parameter as specified parameter, limited parameter, and unspecified and unlimited parameter. Now you see f, nf, sigma t, l, cm, a, c, rho, and syt. These are the parameter in the given design problem. Now you have to classify this parameter in the four type: that functional requirement parameters, undesirable effect parameters, geometrical parameters, material parameters. Okay, now you see first f, that force. This is the, it is given in the problem, and this is the functional requirement parameter. Okay, so the, and factor of safety nf, that is also functional requirement parameter, and it is specified in the statement. So write down this f and n in the first column, that is functional requirement parameter, and it is specified. You see f n, that is a functional requirement parameter, and that parameter is specified in the problem. Now next, material parameter. You see the material parameter, these are the properties of the material. So C is given, that is cost of material per unit, then rho, that is the density of the material, and SYT. All these are the material parameters. So write down the material parameter in the column C, rho, and SYT. Now next, write down the geometrical parameters. Okay, so these are the related to the geometry of the that bar. So length L and cross sectional area A, these are the geometrical parameter. Now length L, it is a limited parameter, that length is specified in the problem, but cross sectional area of the problem, that is unspecified and unlimited parameter, and that you have to find out. Okay, so note down this L and A, that is geometrical parameter. Next A, that is unspecified and unlimited parameter. Now after that, you have to write down the undesirable effect parameters. See sigma t, it is limited and undesirable effect parameter, and cm, that is unspecified and unlimited